Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to the internet. Say these words with your English voice. Blog. Blog. A blog is a record of your activities or opinions that you put on the internet for other people to read and that you change regularly. It's also a verb. Vlog. Vlog. A vlog is a record of your thoughts, opinions, or experiences that you film and publish on the internet. It's also a verb. Platform. Platform. A platform is a place or an opportunity to make your ideas or beliefs known publicly. Viral. Viral. Viral is used to describe something that quickly becomes very popular or well known by being published on the internet or sent from person to person by email or phone, etc. Emoji. Emoji. An emoji is a digital image that is added to a message in an electronic communication in order to express a particular idea or feeling. Follower. Follower. A follower is someone who believes in a particular person or set of ideas and looks at everything they say or do on social media. Hashtag. Hashtag. The symbol hashtag on a phone or computer keyboard is used on social media for describing the general subject of a tweet or other post, such as a message.